So you're not sure if your TikTok account is private or public. Here's how to check your account status the correct way possible. So first you have to open up your TikTok and go to your profile. So if you're confused whether your account is private or public, tap on the hamburger menu, and if you see an option called Business Suite, that means your account is public. So in that case, people who are not following you can easily see all of your videos and your content can reach more viewers. Now, if you don't see Business Suite here, just go to Settings and Privacy, and from there go to Privacy section. And here we'll find the private account option. If this toggle is turned off, that means your account is public. And if you turned it on, your account becomes private. Sometimes if you're using a business account, TikTok may ask you confirm this twice, and once you see the green button turned on, your account is officially private. So after that, anyone who is not following you won't be able to see your videos. They must send a follow request to you and you have to accept it first before they can view your content. And this is how you can easily check your account status. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.